Ladies and gentlemen, this is Icebox, and I'm on the bus, the local bus. The bus you pay $2.50 on. And safety, as always, should be the number one priority. Now, I'm just realizing that the driver doesn't have a seatbelt on. It's clear, he doesn't have a seatbelt on. Now, someone's coming to pay a fare. Let's see. It's $2.50. Okay, a fare was paid. Now the passenger is walking on, and we still notice that there's no seatbelt for the driver. This is crazy. This is really crazy. This is the 62 bus going to Travis. The bus number 6327. Victory Boulevard. And there's no seatbelt on the driver. But we're still safe though. Thank you for watching.